When it comes to podcast production, two names stand out for completely different reasons: Descript and Adobe Audition. Both are powerful. Both can produce broadcast-quality audio, but they approach editing in very different ways. Descript focuses on simplicity and a transcript-first workflow, while Adobe Audition delivers deep control for traditional audio professionals. Let's look at what each one brings to the table and which might be the best fit for modern podcasters. Descript is built on the idea of editing audio like text. You record or import your episode, and it automatically transcribes everything. That transcript becomes your editing surface. Delete or move words in the text, and Descript edits the audio in real time. It feels fast and intuitive, especially for creators who think in words rather than waveforms. You can remove filler words, cut silence, and make structural changes in seconds. Its AI tools even let you clone voices for small fixes, generate overdubs, or clean up recordings automatically. Add screen recording, multi-track editing, and automatic leveling. And you have an all-in-one system that goes from recording to publishing without leaving the app. It is the kind of tool that helps podcasters produce more content in less time with far less friction. Adobe Audition, on the other hand, takes a more traditional approach. It is a full-featured digital audio workstation used by studios, broadcasters, and post-production professionals. Audition gives you complete control over every frequency, layer, and effect. You can fine-tune EQs, repair noisy audio, mix music beds, and master final output with precision. It integrates smoothly with Adobe Premiere, making it ideal for creators who work with both audio and video. The workflow is more technical, and the learning curve is steeper, but once you understand it, you get unmatched depth and flexibility. Audition is perfect for podcasters who want full control over sound design or who produce shows that require detailed editing and mixing. For most podcasters, Descript offers the smoother, faster experience. You can script, edit, and publish your show in one environment that feels natural and modern. For advanced editors or production houses handling complex shows, Adobe Audition still leads when it comes to mixing, mastering, and detailed audio repair. In the end, Descript reimagines how podcasts are made, efficient and transcript-driven, while Adobe Audition refines audio the classic way, with studio-level control. The best choice depends on how you like to work. If you want storytelling speed and simplicity, Descript fits perfectly. If you want precision and full sound design control, Adobe Audition remains the professional standard. Either way, both tools prove that podcast production has never been more powerful or more flexible.